Well, got a black light here. We're going to see if we got any, refrigerant leaking someplace and see where the leak is. It's dark out and I got a black light, so let's look for it. Not seeing anything so far. Man. I'm not seeing anything. Nothing's showing up for a leak for any coolant. Not coolant, refrigerant. Just not seeing it anywhere. Don't see it. Nothing. Well, I don't know what to say. I have no idea. Nothing. That's wow, look at how that lights up. That's brake fluid. That thing just glows. But yeah, don't know. Don't know what's going on. I don't see anything that's leaking. I guess we keep underneath. See if we got anything. I just don't see anything under there either. Sort of hard to see up underneath there. I don't see anything.